Hello and welcome to a new video. Today I am working from home and we are actually having a little storm going on here in Finland, so I don't know if the camera is picking it up. But anyway, today I am painting a new landscape painting, and I took this photo in summer in the middle of the night when we were driving home, and I really like the mood with the distant moon and everything. So today I'm seeing if I can replicate the atmosphere into a painting. So without further ado, let's get into the time lapse. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to leave a like and hit subscribe for my future content, and all my other social media links are down in the description below. Go check them out and I will see you on my next video. Bye!